Welcome to this chakra balancing meditation. In the next few moments, we will journey together to bring harmony, alignment, and balance to your energy centers. Chakras are the energy wheels within your body, and when they are open and balanced, you can experience peace, clarity, and a deeper connection to yourself. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently, relax your shoulders, and allow your hands to rest comfortably. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let go of any tension in your body. Grounding. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded, connected to the earth beneath you. Imagine roots extending from your body deep into the earth, anchoring you with stability and calmness. Breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly. Feel safe, supported, and present in this moment. Root Chakra, Muladhara. Bring your focus to the base of your spine, where your root chakra resides. This chakra represents stability, safety, and grounding. Imagine a vibrant red light glowing at the base of your spine. With every breath, see this red light growing stronger, warmer, and more stable. Repeat silently, I am safe, I am grounded, I am secure. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Sacral chakra, Svadhisthana. Shift your focus to your lower abdomen, just below your navel. This is your sacral chakra, the center of creativity, passion, and emotional flow. Visualize a warm orange light glowing in this space. Feel it radiating creativity, joy, and passion throughout your body. Repeat silently, I am creative, I am joyful, I allow my emotions to flow freely. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Solar plexus chakra, Manipura. Move your attention to your stomach area, where your solar plexus chakra resides. This chakra governs your confidence, personal power, and self-worth. Imagine a bright yellow light glowing like the sun in your abdomen. Feel its warmth filling you with courage and determination. Repeat silently, I am confident, I am strong, I am worthy. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Heart chakra, Anahata. Now focus on your heart center, the home of your heart chakra. This chakra represents love, compassion, and connection. Visualize a soft green light radiating from your chest, filling you with warmth and unconditional love. Repeat silently, I am love. I am open to giving and receiving love. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Throat chakra, Vishuddha. Bring your focus to your throat, where your throat chakra resides. This chakra is the center of communication, truth, and self-expression. Imagine a calm blue light glowing at your throat, clearing any blockages and allowing your truth to flow freely. Repeat silently, I speak my truth with clarity and confidence. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Third eye chakra, Ajna. Focus your attention on the space between your eyebrows, your third eye chakra. This chakra represents intuition, insight, and inner wisdom. Visualize a deep indigo light glowing in this area, guiding you to clarity and intuition. Repeat silently, I trust my intuition. I am connected to my inner wisdom. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Crown chakra, Sahasrara. Finally, bring your attention to the top of your head, your crown chakra. This chakra represents spiritual connection, enlightenment, and divine wisdom. Imagine a radiant violet light glowing above your head, connecting you to the universe and higher consciousness. Repeat silently, I am connected to the universe. I am one with all. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Full chakra alignment. Now imagine all these lights, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, shining brightly within you. See them aligning perfectly, flowing in harmony, and radiating energy throughout your body. You are balanced, you're whole, you're at peace. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a final deep breath, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Carry this feeling of balance, clarity, and calm with you throughout your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Namaste. Twinkle, sparkle. Thank you for taking this time for yourself with Path of Life. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, subscribe, and share this video to spread calm and peace to others. Remember, peace begins within. Take care and see you in the next session.